My partner and I are buying a piece of land which we intend using for a factory, for the new business we want to start together. Question is, should I use the company that I set up for that business to also buy the land, or should it maybe rather be separated? My advice as a general rule to clients is rather to buy the fixed property, which would typically be your non-risky asset, in one entity, for example, in the name of a company or a trust, and run your business, which is obviously your risky asset, in the name of another company, to ensure that if things go wrong and there are financial problems and the creditors maybe start suing the business and the company is even liquidated, then as a general rule, the fixed property held in the name of another company and or the trust would be safe and can, as a general rule, once again, not be attached by the creditor. So as part of risk management, even though it entails some additional administration and also some additional cost implications, I would certainly suggest that you always separate your risky assets, like a business that you have, from your non-risky assets, like fixed land, for sake of protecting the non-risky assets against creditors.